Hello YouTube, down in beautiful Zephyr Hills, Florida today, and I'm trying to hook up a friend of mine's Blue Ridge fifth wheel onto my 18 Ram. As you can see, we've got a little problem with the pin height. It won't go up. So the directions say if you turn on control panel, press up until you hit manual enter to begin, press enter, and then you press the front should go up. The front does not go up, the right does not go up, the left does not go up. The only one that goes up is the rear. You can make the rear go up. You can make it retract all, but you cannot make any of these functions work except the rear. You can raise and lower the rear. You try to reset it, you can hit the front with the control panel off. You can hit the front 5 times and the rear 5 times to make it recalibrate, and it doesn't recalibrate because it's not seeing the right front, the right or the front buttons. I don't believe it's seeing the left button either. It doesn't acknowledge any of those. So I watched all the videos. I'm trying to figure out how to get this thing hooked up. This is short and sweet. So what I did was I hooked a power probe, which is one of these. You hook these to the battery. You hook the positive to the red, the black to the negative, obviously. And then when you press the up button, it gives power. When you press the negative button, it gives a ground to your post. You come over here where the controls are. Both fronts are on the same system. This solenoid that's on the front jack is the jack that controls both front jacks. Up here, let me get back a little bit. Up here, if you follow the wires from the motor, there's your pump reservoir, there's your pump, the motor. You go up here, and that is your pump control. Now there's 2 wires that go to it. There's a yellow small one and a white small one. That makes the solenoid work, changes the polarities. You have 2 wires going to the motor. If the fluid's getting pumped in, one side's positive, the other side's negative. If it's getting pumped out, the polarity is reversed. So to make this go up is what I did. There's 2 wires on this solenoid. White is the common ground on all the solenoids. So you leave the common ground on there. Take this gray one off, which is not the double white, and then we put a wire in there. Sorry about the quality of this video, but I'm getting there. So we put a wire in there. We come over here. We go to the top. Unplug the white. And then put our wire from the solenoid into where the white wire was. Sorry. Not the best quality video, but it's the only one I could see. The only one I've seen so far that makes it work. Hopefully I can edit it and get this part out. If you're in a bind like I am, you won't mind the crap. Okay, I got the white wire in there. I unplugged the white wire. I had the jumper wire going from there down to my solenoid. I put my power probe on there, press the power button to give it power. As you can see, we're going up. You hold it there until you get to the right position that you need. And that's it. That's how you go up. To go down, you put your wire where this yellow wire is, or the small yellow wire, and that'll pump the fluid into the reservoir. That will go down. You leave the wire hooked right to the solenoid, to the front solenoid, and give this post power with the wire. You have to give the solenoid power and this solenoid power at the same time to actuate it. This is a valve, so when you give power to that valve, it opens the valve. When you click this, it turns on the solenoid and gives power to the correct side. I really hope this helps somebody. It's a 6-minute video. My video quality is not all that great, but you know what? I can get this thing moved for my buddy. Have a good day.